Have you ever wondered how to eradicate Candida and yeast from your body? Candida and yeast are types of fungi that naturally reside in our bodies, particularly in warm, moist areas like the mouth, intestines, and the skin. In a healthy body, these fungi coexist harmoniously with other microorganisms, forming a delicate ecosystem known as the human microbiota. However, when this balance is disturbed, Candida and yeast can multiply and grow excessively, leading to various health issues. This overgrowth can result in symptoms ranging from mild, such as bloating and indigestion, to severe ones like chronic fatigue and depression. It's a clear indication of the importance of maintaining a balanced gut flora for our overall health. But don't worry, eradicating these little troublemakers is not as hard as it seems. Stick with us to find out how. The first step in your Candida cleanse journey is to embrace a Candida-free diet. A diet plays a fundamental role in controlling the growth of Candida and yeast in your body. Here's how it works. Certain foods, particularly those high in sugar, yeast, and fermented products, can actually fuel the growth of Candida. By reducing your intake of these foods, you're essentially cutting off the food supply to the Candida, inhibiting its growth. But it's not just about what you shouldn't eat, it's also about what you should. Incorporate more vegetables into your meals, along with lean proteins and healthy fats. These foods not only help to starve off the Candida, they also nourish your body, ensuring that it has the nutrients it needs to function properly and stay healthy. So, you see, a Candida-free diet isn't just about eliminating Candida, it's about promoting overall health. Remember, what you eat can either feed the Candida or help to starve them out. The second step in eradicating Candida and yeast is to introduce probiotics and antifungals into your regimen. Probiotics are the good bacteria that your gut needs to maintain a healthy balance. They help keep the Candida and yeast in check, preventing overgrowth. Now, there are several types of probiotics that you can choose from, but Lactobacillus acidophilus is widely recognized for being particularly effective against Candida. On the other hand, antifungals directly combat the Candida and yeast. They work by breaking down the walls of the fungal cells, causing them to die off. Some examples of effective antifungals include caprylic acid, oregano oil, and garlic. Remember, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. So, by including both probiotics and antifungals in your regimen, you're not just addressing the symptoms, but also tackling the root cause. By introducing these into your regimen, you're fighting Candida and yeast on two fronts. The third step is to strengthen your immune system. A robust immune system is your body's front line of defense against harmful invaders, including Candida and yeast. When your immune system is strong, it can keep these organisms in check, maintaining a healthy balance within your body. So, how can you boost your immune system? First and foremost, prioritize getting enough rest. Sleep is your body's built-in mechanism for recovery and repair. When you're well rested, your immune system can function at its best. Next, engage in regular physical activity. Exercise not only keeps you fit, but also helps to stimulate your immune system, making it more efficient at fighting off potential threats. Finally, make an effort to reduce stress in your life. Chronic stress can weaken your immune system, leaving you more susceptible to infections. Practice stress-reducing activities like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. By following these steps, you're on your way to a Candida-free body. To recap, the 3 steps to eradicate Candida and yeast from your body are: first, embracing a Candida-free diet, ridding your system of sugars and refined carbs that feed these microbes. Second, using probiotics and antifungals to help balance your gut flora and fight off the yeast. And third, boosting your immune system, equipping your body to fight off infections. With these strategies, you can reclaim your health and say goodbye to Candida and yeast. Thanks for watching.